Okay, this is part one of the video, solving the Rubik's Cube. I'm just gonna teach you how to solve this Rubik's Cube the easiest way possible that I know. Okay, so anyway, you're gonna have to learn how to hold the cube and how to turn the pieces on each side. Okay, this is the up, this is the front, the back, this is the right side, and the left side of the cube. When you see it on the algorithm, it will say R, which means you turn the right pieces to the right, which is clockwise. Right. If you see R1, that means you need to turn the right side of the cube counterclockwise, like so. It's the same thing on the front. Turn to the front. Front invert is you turn it counterclockwise. Left invert is counterclockwise. Up and up invert, and then down invert and down. That is down invert and down. You got to remember, invert means you turn the piece counterclockwise. Okay, same on all sides. Okay, on the next video I'm going to show you to solve the cross first. In that case, we will do the white cross. All right, I'm going to show you that on the next video. Okay, on this next video, we're going to solve the cross first. There is no algorithm that you can use on this one. Basically, you just got to find and match the pieces. Okay, all right, so we're going to start. We're going to see the white, green. The white need to be on top right here, and the green should be on the bottom on this side. So we're going to find the green and white. So there's the white and there's the green. So I'm going to turn it like so, and then turn it up. There is your first part of the cross, the green and the white. So next one, we can find the red and the white. White, red. Red, white. So it has to be on this side. So I'm going to turn this one like that. There you go. There's your second piece of the cross. So red, white, green, white. So now I see the orange right here, which is on this side. So we're going to turn that down, and I'm going to move it a little bit, get it out of the way. And then remember, this part of the cross is already solved, so make sure you return it to where it was before. You turn it back, that's where it was. So now I'm going to match the orange and the white. Orange, orange, white, white. So I'm going to turn it. There you go. Now I'm going to bring it up. The white part should be on top by now. There you go. There is the orange and the white. So that's the third piece of your cross. The last one is the blue. Blue and white. We're going to try to find blue and white. Oh, there it is. Blue and white right here. You got to remember, if you turn this one, you got to put it back where you got it, okay? So I'm going to turn it down. Move that blue out of the way, like so, and then bring that red and white back up. Okay, so now I'm going to try to turn the whole cube and match it with that blue. White and blue. There you go. There is your first solved cross of the cube. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the corners. Okay, alrighty. Okay, this next video will be solving the four corners. Okay, this one apparently is already solved. So what you're gonna do is try to find, let's solve red and green and white. So we're gonna look for that tile that has the white, red, and green. So there it is right here, white, red, and green. So we're gonna put that tile directly below where you wanna place this piece right here. So you're gonna put it right below it, and this will be your first algorithm. Okay, so it will be down invert, right invert, down, right. So there it goes, it's right on the piece. Okay, so now we're gonna look for the one that has the red, blue, and white tile. So, oh, you're lucky. Okay, so here's the red, blue, and white tile. So it's already positioned right where you want it to be. So we're gonna do our algorithm again. It will be right invert, down invert, right. Okay, there you go. You got 3 corners solved. You're gonna repeat this until you get all 4 corners solved. Remember, they have to match on all sides. So the last piece will be the orange, blue, and the white. Oh, there it is. Let's say it's on this side right here. You're gonna have to put it right below it, adjacent to the place where you want it to be. So orange, blue, and white. Okay, so we're gonna do the algorithm again. We're gonna do a right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right. So there you go. You have your first layer solved. On the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the middle layer right here. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the second layer of the Rubik's Cube. Okay, but the goal here is try to find pieces that doesn't have the yellow on the top. Okay, so this one you can't use it. This one is good. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna match this to the blue right there, and then this is where you're gonna use another one of your algorithm. This one will go on this side right here. See it? Orange and blue. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. There you go. Now the next piece, you're gonna keep on doing this until you match all the pieces. Okay, you're gonna encounter some problems in here to where just like this one, it's on the wrong spot, but I will teach you how to do that later. Okay, now we got the green and the orange. So you're gonna find the green and the orange. So you're gonna match it with the green right there, line it up. And the orange part will go right here, and the green is on this side. So this one, this is your algorithm right here. Up, right, up invert, right invert, up invert, front invert, up, and then front. There you go. So now it's in place right here. Okay, so now we got this red and the blue. We're gonna try to find the red. There's the red right here, and the blue. The blue is gonna go on this side. Okay, so the same thing algorithm. It's gonna be up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. There you go. It's right there. See it? And there's the blue. So now we're going to need this piece right here, which is the red and the green. And the red and the green is right here. So you're going to line it up again. Okay. So this time we're going to use the same algorithm. It's going to be up invert, left invert, up, left, up, front, up invert, front invert. Get it? I'm sorry. So now all your P's on the second layers are solved. Okay? On the next video, I'm going to show you how to solve the yellow cross right here. Okay? We'll see you in the second video. The next video. Okay, on this next video, we're going to solve the top cross. Your goal here, your goal here is to create an L. Whenever you find the L right here, you just use this algorithm. You cannot hold it like this. You cannot hold it like this. You cannot hold it like this. This is the correct position for it. Okay, don't worry about this for now. So what you do is front, right, up, right invert, front invert, front invert. Okay, so it would be front, right, up, right invert, up invert, front. There's your cross right here. You keep on doing that. Eventually you'll get this yellow cross. Once you get the yellow cross, your next move will be trying to match the top, this pieces right here. Make sure they're all matched. This one we have one right here. Okay, so what you're gonna do, we're gonna do the algorithm right, up, right invert, up, right, up, up, right invert. Okay, so now you're gonna look at it, see it. You can keep on doing that until you get all the pieces in the right places right here. See? Okay, so the last move now are the corner pieces. Okay, make sure you have all this yellow on top, orange on the side, blue on the side. Okay, we'll be doing this. Make sure all these are on the right locations. Okay, this one is wrong because this is orange, this is green, and that's blue, and that's red and yellow. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna hold the cube to where this piece is already matching. Okay, so it'll be up, right, up invert, left invert, up, right invert, up invert, left. So let's look at it. So now we have this one's matching. This one is also in the right place. This one is also in the right place. This is on the right place. So now we're going to orient all these pieces and complete the puzzle. Okay, so this is solved right here. What you can do is you can hold it like this, up invert. Well, you want all the yellow on top. Okay, so it would be right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right. Don't forget this last piece, down. So now we have this one solved. So what you're gonna do now is you go to the next piece right here. You're gonna turn it. Don't move your cube. You're gonna hold it just like the way it is right now. You're gonna go like this. So now we're gonna do the algorithm again. Right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down. You see that? You don't forget to turn this one piece one time right there, like so. So now we have this piece on the right place. So we're gonna solve this last piece right here. So don't move your cube. You're gonna hold it still. You just turn the top part of the cube one time. One. So now we're gonna do the algorithm again. It will be right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right, down, right invert, down invert, right. There you go. Your puzzle is complete. 1, 2, 1. Congratulations. Well, good luck. Hope you can solve it. If you have any question, have your pops call me. Thank you.